A young man once lived with his mother. She cooked his food, cleaned his house, and looked after him. But one day, the man got married, and his wife came to live with him and his mother. At first, all went well, but then the two women began to fight. The old woman began to hate her daughter-in-law, and the young woman began to hate her mother-in-law. One day, the husband came home late from the forest. "Mother," he said, "I'm tired. Bring me some water. I want to wash myself." His mother didn't answer. The husband called out again. "Mother!" he cried. "I'm hungry. Where's my dinner?" Again his mother refused to answer. The man was surprised. "What's the matter with you?" he said. "Why don't you answer me?" His mother began to cry. "It's your wife," she said. "She hates me. She fights with me all the time." "You stupid old woman," she says. "Why don't you let us live our lives? I can't live with her any longer." The man looked at his mother. She was old, and he loved her. "Please, dear mother," he said, "try to live happily with her. She is young. She is my wife. We all must live together. Don't talk about it now. Bring me my dinner." "Dinner?" said his mother. "There is no dinner. I can't cook when that woman is in the house. Do this, do that. That's wrong. That's bad. You're too slow. You're too old," she says to me all the time. "Okay, Mother," he said. "We can talk about it later. I'm really hungry. Now can you please make me some eggs?" "Why are you asking me?" she said. "Why don't you ask your wife to cook food for you? She has 2 hands, 2 legs. She can cook your food. All she does is stay in her room and rest all day. Give your old mother some rest too. I'm not the only woman in this house." "But what can I do?" the man said. "She's my wife. I love her. I can't send her away." "You must choose," said his mother. "You can live with me, or you can live with her. You can't have both of us." That night, the man went to bed hungry. He lay down, but he couldn't sleep. "What can I do?" he thought. "How can I choose between my mother and my wife? My mother loves me. When I was a child, she fed me and looked after me. I can't hurt her, but my wife is young and beautiful. I love her. I can't live without her." The next morning, his mother said to him, "Well, son, have you chosen? Do you want your wife or do you want me?" "I want both of you," said the man. "You can't have both of us," said his mother. "Kill your wife. You are young. You can find a more beautiful girl and marry her. But I am your mother. I am an old woman. I gave you life. I gave you everything." "Kill my wife?" the man said. "What are you saying? How can I kill my own wife?" The man went off to work in the forest. All day he thought about his mother and his wife. "My mother is right," he thought at last. "She is old. She needs me. I will take my wife up the mountain and throw her over the cliff. And I am still young. I can find another beautiful girl and marry her. a new wife who can cook food for me, then my mother and I will live in peace." He went home. "Well," said his mother, "have you chosen?" "Yes," answered her son, "I have chosen you. Tomorrow I will take my wife up the mountain and throw her over the cliff. Now bring me water. I'm tired. I want to wash myself." His mother ran to fetch the water. She came back quickly. "Now," said the man, "bring me my dinner. I'm hungry." "Yes, yes," said his mother. "I have cooked all your favorite dishes. When your wife is gone, I will make them for you every day." The next day, the man got up early and woke his wife. "Wife," he said, "you and I are going on a journey today. I'll take you up the mountain. It's very cool up there. You will like it very much." His wife looked at him. She was surprised. "I'm tired," she said. "I can't walk up the mountain." "Then I'll carry you," said her husband. He picked her up and began to carry her up the mountain. At first, his wife was happy. "This is very kind of you, my dear husband," she said. "I haven't been out for so long. It's nice to see the trees in the sky." Her husband said nothing. Soon the young woman stopped talking. The mountain was very high and the road was steep. The path went up and up. Soon the man and his wife were standing at the top of a cliff. "My husband," said the young woman quietly, "I know what you want to do. I understand everything, but please be careful. Throw me over the cliff, but don't fall over yourself. Look, there is a tree. When you push me, hold a branch of the tree. Then you will be safe." The man looked at her. He was very surprised. "Wife," he said, "you know what I want to do. You understand everything, but you still love me. You're still worried about me, and you don't want me to die." She smiled sadly at him. "Ah, my love," she said, "only a wife knows love. One day you will miss me, and then you'll understand. Then you'll really know what it is to lose someone." The man put his wife down and sat beside her. He put his head in his hands and began to think. "Does my mother love me as much as this?" he thought. "Yes, she raised me, but this woman, she is ready to die, and still she wants me to be safe. How good my wife is! How kind she is! I wanted to kill her, but she still loves me." Then he thought about his mother. "She's not a good mother," he thought. "She said, 'Kill your wife.' She cooked my food, yes, but she asked me to kill the woman I love. My wife never asked me to kill her, but my mother did. I loved her once, but I don't love her now. I have chosen. I will keep my wife and send my mother away." So the man carried his wife down from the mountain and took her home, and he sent his mother away and lived happily with his wife for many, many years. If you liked this story, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.